Welcome back, guys. 3 trades in the CPI Thursday. I traded euro today and we had 1 loss after giving us range. We had 1 break even after giving us range, and we had 1 take profit, the first one of the year. I ended the day up about 250, so that brings us back up to a little bit under 2% on the challenge. So this whole week we've been consolidating inside the NFP range. So a few things to consider going into CPI. For buy side, we are near NFP high here inside of this 1 hour CB. And for our sell side interest, we have yesterday's New York sell side and London sell side. And if we get animated to the downside, we also have this 1 hour busy still untouched under all this consolidation. CPI taps into NFP high here and displaces down. So my interest now is in yesterday's sell side, New York and London. I waited for all of this to pan out with this sell side draw in mind, and I used this CB as our last PD array before touchdown. And price offered me 8 pips, but my TP was at 11 pips. I figured that if it was going to run lower, it would run at least 5 pips below the sell side. But it only stabs into it and we get stopped out without partial. Now we're back inside this CB coupled with this order block, but it's too early for me to go into a sell again. I wanted another market structure shift downside before I could sell, hoping to use this CB again. This CB that was used to enter short, we used it again, but this time as inverse. After this displacement here, my interest is now at this 1 minute CB and this midnight open. I place a buy limit order at this reclaim order block coupled with this busy, and price moves away here. We ran into this 1 minute CB, but still shy of TP and midnight open, and we created 3 PD arrays here. A busy, and an order block. So I moved my stop from here to 1 pip above entry to cover my costs. And this 1 minute CB proved itself just enough, and we didn't need to go above midnight open again. And price offered me 16 pips before stopping me out at break even. Seeing this drop here with this CB, I take this as displacement, and now we're eyeing this low again, using this 1 minute CB as smart money reversal. And my attention is on this buy side of the curve. What old PD arrays can I refer back to? And we have this busy that we used to get long, coupled with this reclaim order block. And we have this reclaim order block where I entered on market. We trace a bit more into this CB, just touching this old busy, and notice the bodies respecting this reclaim order block. And we have another leg of displacement here. And there's also another old PD array to consider. This volume imbalance right here. It was created and it was used 1, 2, 3 times. After it gives away here, with this sell side target in mind, it should hold price if it ever gets back up there. Also note this CB that we used on our first sell. We created another CB right here, offered a sell there as institutional order flow in Juju. And we just hit TP here with no further run below. As you can see here, we got out just in time. I personally don't like it when a market maker model ends just like that with no offset distribution. It means that I was trading in a high time frame consolidation and I was close to overstaying my welcome. So our current standing, we gained back about 1/4%. Going forward, we will still be risking 1/4% until we make back 1%. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.